Hey friends, welcome back to Tubeshala, where curiosity meets innovation, and every video is a gateway to a new realm of understanding. Today, we are going to explore another aspect of data validation, wherein we shall be checking if the company code's first character is non-numeric. So, let's jump right in. This can be done using isText function in Excel, but isText is going to return a true for a numeric value. So we are going to keep it simple, and instead of checking if it's text, we shall just check if it's not a number. But first, let's strip out the first character of the company code. We shall use the left function here. So I can simply type is equal to left cell comma 1 bracket close to extract the first character of the company code. Let's see it in action. By simply typing equals left within brackets A18 comma 1 into the adjacent cell and hitting enter, Excel extracts the first character of the company code as C. Now if we put this in ISNUMBER and again we put the value function in there, I get a false. But I want to revert this to true if it is text. So I am just going to put a not value. So I am just going to put a not function before the whole formula. So now the formula becomes is equal to not within brackets ISNUMBER within brackets value within brackets left within brackets A18 comma 1 bracket close. And there you have it, the correct answer, and the reply is as true. This is how we learn to validate a non-numeric character in the text. As we draw the curtains on another enlightening session, remember the journey to knowledge never ends. Before you go, show some love by hitting that like button, sharing with fellow seekers, subscribing for more enlightening content, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning. This is Tubeshala signing off with a quest for knowledge.